I'm helmet camming. I'm about to go outside and show you guys how wild this is. Not helmet camming, because it's not a helmet, but it's a helmet cam on goggles, so I guess I'm goggle camming. I'm goggle camming. Say hello. Hello. Okay, bye. Holy shit. Okay, I'm going to try and walk out in this. This is going to be fun. Alright. Just going to brave it. Oh my god. Oh, this is funny. This is hilarious. This is my house. Look at the roof over there. Oh my god. I had to like roll over this. And I got snow all over my pants. Oh man. Look at the drifts. Wow. Damn, it's this deep even without shoveling.
Oh my god, what if I just like jump on this? Michael, you're in the snow.
I was going to take a walk through the forest, but there's no way I'm going to make it. No way. Shoot. Might go back and get my wallet and go to 7-Eleven and get some coffee, at least.
Why would anybody be walking their dog?
The thing is, how did that dog get out? That's wild. Throw your dog out in the snow. I thought about throwing our cat in the snow. Except we'd never be able to find her again. Damn. Well, it's a good thing I did not go to San Francisco this weekend. Shit, if I'd have taken off Friday, oh, the kids would have been here by themselves. That would have been bad. Her fence is covered. Shit, her car is covered. Okay, I'm going to try and get back into the house. This is going to be fun. Damn. It's kind of like Jesus of the Tundra. And that's what I get for saying that. Sorry there, God. Just a little joke. No sense of humor today, I guess. Shit. Oh, my God. And that's a wonderful day in the neighborhood.